Here, we are running an LLM agent inside a Docker container, which replies to our prompts. Let's see how we did it. In the previous video, we saw how we can create multi-agent and prompt them. Here, we have converted the Jupyter Notebook to Python file with the same code. Even the user problem or the prompt is the same. To containerize this agent, we will require this Dockerfile. In this file, we are using the Python 3 base image. Then, we are installing the dotenv and OpenAI libraries. Then, we are copying the main.py file to the container's working directory. And then we are verifying if it is added or not with the ls command. At last, we have the command to run the main.py file, which will be executed while running the container, and not while building. These are some of the commands that we will use in order to containerize the code. First, we will build the image, with the name agent, and the tag version v1. Process complete. Let's validate, by listing images. Yes, our image is available. Now, let's run it, as a container. It is completed, and this is the output. Let's copy the output to a different file for better readability. Let's list all the containers. Here we can see our containers listed. Thanks for watching. See you again with more interesting technologies. Python every day.